This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Right, yes. The previous class, so we have done about operators. Okay, right. Let's start now. Let's start now. Conditional statements, yes. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Okay. Actually, the concept name is uh, control statements. Control statements. In these control statements, there are three types are there. The first one is conditional statements. Second one is iterative statements. Iterative statements. Third one is transfer statements. Transfer statements. That's all. So control statements means statements which control the program flow. All of it. The statements which control the program flow is called the control statements. Control statements. Okay. Control statements. Right. Can you hear me right? Okay. So it's control statements. The statements which control the flow of the program. Maybe by checking the condition, or by execute the same block, by executing the same block, skipping one block another block, like this guys. Okay. So here control means what are the meaning of control here? Like maybe checking the condition, checking condition, right? Or else maybe repeat same block execution, okay, execution, or skipping from one block to another block, one block to another block, right? Like this, guys. Like this. This is the way of controlling the program flow. These are different ways of controlling the program flow. Skipping the block in the middle, right? You can see now. Skipping the block in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, right? In the middle. Some condition like this. So these all are the different ways to control the program flow. But that one it supports three types. So first we use condition statements. Next we use return statements. We use transfer statements. Right? Then what are the different types of conditional statements? Here, if statement is first one, if statement. The second one is if else statement. If else right statement. Third one is generally in other languages we have if else if statement is there in other languages, right? So what's the name? If else if. The same one only, the same one Python language simply called as a elif statement. That's all. Elif. And the fourth one is nested if statement. Nested if statement, guys. Statement. So these are the four different types of condition statements, guys. So these four are used to check the condition, and on condition based, you can execute the program. Based on condition, we execute the program. For that, we use these four types. Next, iterative statements are there. Iterative means re-execute same block. Re-execute same block. Here, again, we use a for loop. For loop. And second one, we use while loop, guys. Right, while loop. So these two loops we use to re-execute same block n number of times. We want to execute same block n number of times. Suppose, let's see here, pay slips are there. Pay slips, right? Pay slips. General, they follow same formula for all the employees. Maybe the salary is different, but they follow same same logic. They repeat same logic for 1,000 employees. Repeat same logic for 1 lakh employees. There we use for these loops, guys. Loops. The for loop or while loop. Repeat same logic. Repeat same execution number of times. That comes under the iterative statements. Then the fourth one, third one, transfer statements are there. First one here called break. Break means stop the block or terminate the block in the middle. That's all. Just the program going on at some condition. I want to terminate the blocks completely. I want to stop the execution completely. We use break. Next pass is there. Pass or continue is right. Continue is there. Continue. Also terminate the block for specific iteration and continue the new iteration. Continue the new iteration. That's all. This is all we see practically, guys. This is all we see practically. Third one is pass. Pass means to create some dummy blocks. To create some dummy block. Suppose a function is there. I want the function name. Inside the function, I don't want any logic. Then we specify the pass. Right? Or I want a class. I want a class name. Inside the class, I don't want logic now. I can implement later. There, take the class name. Inside the class, just give the pass. Pass means it is used to create some dummy block. That's all. Dummy blocks, guys. Okay. So here, these three are called control statements, which are used to control the flow of the program. Maybe by checking the conditions, right? Or by repeat the same execution a number of times, like by terminating the blocks, terminating blocks like this. Okay. So first of all, we go with conditional statements, guys. Go with which one? Conditional statements. Okay. Right. These three concepts are this concept is most important, guys. It's the most important. This concept now onwards we use in all advanced topics. This concept, which one? This control statements. These statements we use in all programs. In all, that's why we're discussing first day only. See, up to yesterday, all 4 part over, guys. 4 Python, 4 part over. 4 means all basics over. Yesterday. Okay, so we started the advanced topics. Advanced topics. This is the basic again. This is the main point. Because without this topic, we don't get any advanced concept programs. Without these conditions or iteratives or transfer statements, we don't write a big program in the advanced topic. That's why we're discussing first one, this one. So all of you, so try to understand very well. Okay, so first of all, let's go with conditional statements, guys. Conditional statements. Conditional statements. Okay, conditional statements. Next. So all of you observe here. So conditional statements. Why we use right? Why we use these statements? Okay. See, this one I can go on definition here. Conditional statements are used to control the flow of program, guys. Flow of program. Not flow of program execution, simply flow of right program execution, right? Program. That's all. That's the conditional statements. The same one I'll compare with traffic signals, guys, right? Traffic signals. Traffic signals. This one we know very well, right? This one we know very well. Traffic signals daily we see, right? Daily we see in small towns, in cities also we see this thing, right? Traffic signals. So my point here is why we use the traffic signals. All of you reply. Why they are required? Why they are required? Why the traffic signals are required? All of you reply. Why they are required? Why they are required? right? If you see at any junction, in all the junctions we have the traffic signals, right? So what is the importance of those traffic signals? What is the importance of, right, those traffic signals? If you don't have those signals, so what will happen? If you don't have the signals, what will happen? Right? Right. Very good. Yes, to control traffic, right? To control traffic. Control traffic. Nothing but to control the flow of vehicles, right? So to control traffic means what's the meaning? Yeah, meaning right? Reynal. What's the meaning of to control traffic? Means to control the flow of vehicles, right? Ramakrishna correct. All correct only. Okay. So what's the exact point here? To control the flow of vehicles. Flow of vehicles, right? Same guys. Observe here. That's what I'm saying here. That's what I'm saying here. Traffic signals are used by to control the flow of right flow of right vehicles, right, vehicles like this case, flow of vehicles, to control the flow of vehicles, right. Suppose if you see one way road, right, one way, only one way, guys, no junction is there, no junction is there. At that time, can you find traffic signals? And suppose there is a way like this. All of you observe here, there is a way like this, okay. One way like this is there. Here, can you find traffic signals here? Can you find traffic signals, right? One way is there like this. One way is there. So means all vehicles going like this only. It's only one way, guys. Now all going like this only. This point of time, can you find? Can you require traffic signals here? Tell me now. So only one flow is there, right? Only one flow is there at this point of time. Do we require traffic signals or not? Do we require the traffic signals or not? No need, right? No need here. No need, right? Why no need? Why no need here? Because the vehicles going on only one way, right? They're all going in one way. All going in one way, right? One way. So no need of traffic signals, guys. Traffic signals. When they are required traffic signals, when we have the the junctions, guys, means when we get the different directional vehicles, right? Suppose observe here. Right. All of you, this one we know very well already. Just I'm giving a few example, guys. Right. So at this point of time, compulsorily what required here, compulsorily required traffic signals, guys. Because some vehicles coming in different ways, right? Suppose some vehicles coming in this way. Yes, some are coming in this way. Yeah. Right. Next one, some vehicles coming right in this way. They're coming. Also, some vehicles coming in this way, right, in this way, and also some are coming in this way, right, in this way, some are coming at this point of time. Compulsorily here, what is required, traffic signals required, guys. Here is required, traffic signals required here, compulsorily requires here. Then only the vehicles will be controlled, otherwise we know what will happen, we know, right. Suppose see, here how they controlled, by using the lights, right? By using red, green, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Suppose, guys, here this side yellow light is given, and then what happens here? What happens here? This only will go. These vehicles will go, right? These vehicles will go. This is all stopped, guys. This is all stopped, right? This is all stopped. Means when the light is green, all of this is the point. When the light is green, then that vehicles only will move. All of right. When the light is green, then the vehicles only will move. Remaining all will not. Remaining all, which light? Red light is that. Red light is there. Remaining all, red light first of all. Remaining all, red light. Okay. So later, after a few minutes or few seconds, what happens here? Again, it will change, right? It will change. Now, green light will come here. and red light, right, will come like this here. Now, these three sides controlled and here, right, left. Like this, guys, okay, like this. Same here also, we keep a number of conditions. Okay, when first condition is true, remaining all will not execute. But if we have one or more conditions, if one condition is true, remaining all will not execute. We all practical. Right? So all of you, I think you're clear, right? I'm comparing our topic name with which one? Traffic signals, guys. Traffic signals. Okay, but here traffic signals they're controlled how by checking the condition is true or false, right? Is true or false. So let's see here, red, green, green, red lights. Okay, red lights, guys. Yellow also, but these are main things, right? In our concept, don't have green red. Then what we have, like the true, true, right? True, false. That's all. If it is true, move it. If it is false, don't move it like this. True, true, false, like this. Okay, right. Now let us see parallelly if else, guys. We'll see both, right? If else. So what is syntax of if statement? Syntax of if statement. Guys. First of all, so if then what condition? Okay, condition. If condition is true, execute the block. That's all. Execute the block. That's all, guys. Enough. So here we're checking whether condition only true. That's all. If true only, it execute the statements. There's no concept of false. No concept of false. That's why here it's called simple if. It's also called, right, simple if, guys. Simple if. Simple if means no else block. Only condition is true, then what do I do? That's all. I want else part also. Then the second one, if else, guys. If else statement. If else, right? If else statement. In this case, if in same condition, then if condition is true, execute the block here. Execute the block here. If condition is false, execute one more block. Execute one more block. That's all. Execute one more block. That's all, guys. This here no traffic signals. Only one way. That's all. Only one way, guys. Here only one way. So no signals are going straight. Almost going straight. Or else one signal is there. They're always green only. If it's green only, then go it. That's all. But here, if it's green, then it executes. Otherwise, red is not green, then the remaining part execute. The remaining part that's all. Okay, we'll see both, guys. Now we'll see both parallel, right? Which one? If and right? If else? If and if else, right? Very interesting things, guys. These all are very interesting concepts. Onwards. See, guys, up to last class, I used ideally create our programs, right? But today onwards, I'm going to use some editors, guys. Editors. Out of all editors, again, it has default editor. It has default editor. Go to file, new file, guys. New file. Okay. So we see first of all this one. For a few days, I program here. Let us go with either PyCharm, Atom, Sublime, right? We'll try different things later. Okay. Right. Now, so guys, let us see one example here, right? An example. So now I asked student enter the percentage. Enter the percentage. The percentage is giving more than 35. Then I want display yes, you are passed. That's all. If it's giving above 35, this I want to give yes, you are passed. Okay. So first of all, from student, how to take the data, is how to read the data from user, which function we use here. Tell me now, which function we use to read the data from user? Which function we use to read the data from user? Which function we use? All of you reply. Function, input function, yes. So input function we use to read the data from user. I ask here, enter your percentage. Okay, enter your percentage. Okay, percentage. I have one variable into P. Right, P. Okay. Now observe the condition. The first one, if P greater than or equal to 35. That's all, guys. So see the condition. Okay, if condition. So if it is syntax here, syntax what is there? If condition, right? Condition is what I'm writing here. If condition 35, P 35 above 35, then take the colon here, take the colon and click enter. Then guys, you can take here. I'm saying here, suppose yes, you are passed in the exam. That's all. Enough, guys, right? Now I'm not about the false. This time, if the condition is true, then I want to execute this one. When the condition is true, if you give above 30 by above 35, condition is true, automatically it executes. Suppose if you give below 35, then what will happen? That I'll show you now. Okay. Now guys, first of all, this file opened. The file wrote the program. Of writing program, next what we do? Save the file. Control yes. Right? Save the file. So first open the file, write the program, then save the file. And take it Python 6 a.m. guys. Our file is there. Our file is there. Okay, no problem. I take Python. Right, take 6 a.m. Python 6 a.m. Dot py. Okay. So guys, here see, I'm taking dot py. If you don't take also no issues, guys, because what is the by default save type? Python files only. Okay. So Python files only. If you don't take dot py, also no issues. It will take automatically. Now save it here. Yes. Now you can observe here. It's showing our file name. And also it's giving the file path, guys. It's giving the file path. Where is my file? Where is my file? It's giving the path. In this location, my file is saved. Why, sir? Because I set already default path Python path, right? If you remember, we set already Python path as default path. That's why default path only my files are saving. My files are saving. That's all. Okay. So now what is over? Opening file over, write the program over, save the file over. All of clear, right? Now three parts over. What's first one? Open the file, write the program, and save the file. The fourth one is execute the file. Execute the file. Run the file. Just go to run and see run moderate. You can see run module. Run module. Shortcut is F5. That's all. It asks you enter your percentage. Right. Now guys can observe here. It's asking us now enter your percentage, right? Enter your percentage. Enter your percentage, right? Just guys, I'm giving here, suppose 40 percentage. And the number 40, right? See, it's giving some error, guys, here. It's giving some kind of error. So all of you check once why error is coming. Tell me the solution of this error. All of check once here. See, actually, the Python Django, if any small error is there, it will return a number of lines, guys. Small error also, it will give a number of lines. Out of all the lines, just go to the last line, guys. Always go to the last line to get the solution of the error. Right? Go to last line or last 1 or 2 lines enough to get the solution, to get the reason of the error first of all. So it's saying that greater than or equal to not supported between string and integers, where this point of line it's saying that it's greater than a symbol not supported between string and integer. So where is string here? It's integer, we know. P is string. P string. Why string? Input takes data in the string format. Then what we do? We have to convert, right, into integer type. How to convert here? I take the int. Okay, enough. Okay, run this one. Yes. Now I'm giving here 70 percentage. Yes, you are passed. Okay, fine. So percentage means I can give any number, right? I'm giving 80.8. Again, error is coming, guys. Again, error is coming. 80.8, I'm giving again error is coming here. Why? What is the reason of this error? So see here, we used int function. We used int function expecting integer values only. But which number you are given here? You are given the float number. Only a specified int function means waiting for the integer values, right? Integer values. Which function we have given here? Float number we have given. That's why again error is there. But here, right, but here, which one? This percentage is possible for both right integer and right float values. That's why simple what can we take here? We can take eval. I told you very clearly eval function. Right, very good. Now eval allows all types, guys. Eval allows right all types. Invalid syntax, yes. Invalid. Why? Two brackets are taken now. Yes. Right. Now, if you observe here, 90%, yes, you are passed. Giving 90.7, yes, you are passed. See, very clear, right? Very clear. So I'm giving the marks above 35, right? Let's take 34, 36, for example, right? Percentage. Yes, you are passed. Okay, fine. What about if I give less than 35? I'm giving 32, 32. In this case, tell me now the condition true or false. In this case, tell me now the condition true or false. Yeah, the condition true or false, tell me now in this case. Yeah, the condition true or false, all of you reply. Jonah, yes, false, right? False, guys. False. See, false means nothing happening here. No execution is there. No execution is there here. Why no execution is there? Because I said that if condition is true, execute the block. That's all. What about the condition is false? I did not say. That's why it's called a simple if statement. But what is my requirement now? Suppose he is giving below 35. Just display. You are failed. That's all. The requirement is if is giving block below 35, then specify that you are failed. Then you add the else now. Add the else block. Right of yes. You are right. You are failed. Okay. You are failed. You are failed. That's all. You are failed. You are failed. Right. Let us see now. Let us see now. I'm giving 35. Yes, you are passed. 35, right? Condition is true. Right? 35 condition is true, right? I'm saying here P greater than or equal 35. What number I have given here? 35 given. That means 35 greater than equal 35. Yes, true, right? Correct. Now let me try here with the lesser number 20. See, you are failed. You are failed. You are failed. Why? You are failed. Why? You are failed because you got 20 percentage. Right? You are failed here. You are failed because you got 20 percentage, right? Now observe you are failed. You are failed because you got which one? You got uh, percentage. That's all. Right. Let's see now. Let us see here. Let us see now. I'm giving here at 10 percentage, right? 10 percentage. See now. You are failed because you got 10 percentage. All of you observe clearly. Okay. Observe what I did there. Observe, guys. Observe there. What happened there, right? What happened there? You are failed, right? Because you got 20%, 20% only. 20%. Okay, fine. Displaying very well. But here you got 10% symbol coming some distance, right? If you observe here, that symbol coming in some distance, right? Some distance coming there. So why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Right? Now, all of observe here. All of observe here. If you observe, right, see what is there? 10 percentage. Some space is coming here, right? 10 percentage. Right? So I use the variable between. This is one way. The other way is there by using format function, guys. Okay, format function. The same statement. I'm going to write. I'm going to write in the format, guys. Format statement. Observe, guys. Simple, same as it is. Same by using print only. Okay, print only. So see here, right? Are you are failed, right? Because you got that's all, guys. No space. I'm taking, that's all. Now should we take dot format of I take the p, that's all. Take the p. Let's see now both x good. Now we see both, right? See here. Enter percentage. I'm giving 10 now, right? 10 now. See guys, right? You see, right? See the first one by using normal variable. Okay, you got, right, 10 percentage. You got 10 percentage. See, you find the difference here. You find the difference here. So there's a with the variable directly, guys. There's with variable directly. But now what I used here, we used a format function. We used format function, and it's called placeholder, guys. It's called placeholder. It's called okay, placeholder. Okay, that's called placeholder. Okay, right. Now, so here format function we can use, guys, to format the string in proper manner. All right. So format function is used. Format function is used to format the string in a proper and easy manner. Proper and easy, okay, easy manner, right? Easy manner. You can use anyone, guys, no issues. But if I use format function, it use a proper, right, proper output. See here, format of p. In the format function, what is there? P is there. That p will go to one placeholder. So wherever we use placeholder, at the location only the p value will replace. Suppose the same placeholder I take somewhere here. For example, I take somewhere here the placeholder. Then what happens here? The p variable value will display here. Will display. Just observe. If you want, just observe. I'm giving a 20 percentage. See now, there is 20 displaying here 20. Why displaying there? Because I used placeholder here. Before failed, I used placeholder. That's why before failed, the marks are displaying. Okay, that's why we should use this placeholder properly. Wherever you want to display the variable value, at that place only we should use the placeholder properly. Okay. Now I'm taking in the right place. Right place. I'm giving here 30%, right? It's fine, guys. Okay, I remove the first one, guys. Okay, I remove this one. I remove this one. Yes. So you are failed because you got a 30 some percentage, right? Yes, you are passed in the exam. Uh, here also can take here because, right, because you got the same process. Percentage, percentage, right? Percentage. That's all. Also you take here dot format of we use p. We use p. Okay, p, guys. And it, I'm taking a 40 percentage. Yes. Okay. Now I'm asking his name also. I'm asking his name also. All of observe here. You all, right? I can take here. Enter your name. Enter your name. So here don't need any conversion, right? So we'll take the name variable. That name variable. If you get above 35, then I want display like hello, right? Hello, placeholder. It's hello Satya, like that, right? Uh, Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Fine, guys. No, okay. Now I take here dot dot format of format of name. Okay, format of name. Let us try now. Let us try here. Now asking the name. Oh, enter your name, right? Sorry guys. Which function we use here? Input function should use, right? To take the data. Input function should use to take the name Sai percentage. I am giving 50 percentage. Yes. Hello Sai, right? Congratulations. Yes, you got your pass in the exam because you got so and so percentage. So also percentage. Okay. See here. See, this is the input I am giving, right? This is the output I am getting from the program. So here I want one space line, guys. I want some space, more space here. To separate both, I want some little bit more space. Then I can take here. I can take now one empty printer. One empty print. That's all. Empty print. Now observe guys here. I take the nani here. Then 80 percentage. Yes. Empty print is by default. What is there? Empty printer by default slash n is there by default slash n guys means a new line. That's why one line space is coming. One line space coming guys. That's all. Okay, right. Now fine. I want something like here. To take here something right. Print. Thank you. Thank you for using right. Using website guys right. .com. NTH right. NTH right. Results.com. So yes, if you see right generally maybe not now, around guys 10 years back, 10 years back, 15 years back, right? To get the results, we go to internet, right? We go to internet centers. From there, we get the results. General, right? Nowadays we have the mobile phone now, we can directly see there. But here also we go to some website, right? Some website, there we see the results. So there, they don't mind whether you passed, failed, or state rank. They don't mind. They display at the end. What is the point here? Thank you for using source website. Whether you pass or fail, the same point because they use. You pass or fail, compulsory say this point. Thank you for using source website. Congratulations will come when you pass, right? Suppose if you fail, then they say better luck next time. It's common things. Okay. Now all of you observe here. So the single program implementing more guys. Okay, single program. See now, let's take some name Nani here. Then I'll take here 50 percentage, right? 50 percentage. Hello Nani, congratulations. Yes, you are passed in the exam because you got 50 percentage. Thank you for using source website. Okay, suppose if you give the less marks here, I am giving the less marks. Right? I'm giving Nani here. I am giving the less percentage, suppose 20 percentage. Also saying that thank you for using this website. Right? So here this line repeating this right, this repeating in both either condition is true or condition is false. Right? And one more thing here, one more thing, either you pass or fail, right? They say that something right. I will come. Okay, welcome, right? Welcome to something, right? Like NTH, right? NTH results, NTH results.com. That's all. It's also common, guys. Suppose I take this also as a common point. Right? So as here now, if you observe this welcome message, right? Thank you. These two are common in both if and else, right? All of you observe here. Here, this welcome and thank you is common in both if and else. So whatever the statements are common, then take outside the block, yes, because here the welcome is common and it must get before displaying the main point, right? I'll observe here and displaying the welcome message when before the main point, before the right main point. That's why simply what can I do here? This one I can remove from here and I can take here. That's all. And also, no, this is not required. Okay, not required enough. Right. Now, after main point displaying like passed or failed, of main point displaying last what is there? Thank you message is there. So that will take at the end of the else. Means after all block over, I take that point, guys. That's all. All of you observe here. What happened here? Welcome taken above the main points and to taken after the main points. After the main points. After the main points. Okay. Right. Now. So right guys, like this guys, we can keep on increase that, we can keep on increase here. Okay, let's take here Nani and something right 40%. That's all. Results.com. Hello Nani, congratulations. Right, yes, you are passing the exam because you got so much marks. Thank you for using so much website. That's all. Okay, right. Like this, guys, like this, we can keep on implement. We can keep on implement. So here, what do we use now? First of all, I tried only if. Later, I added else also. So finally, we have if else statement, guys. If else statement. Right? But here again, some more conditions required actually here. But what conditions required? If I give the marks between 0 to 35, okay, failed. 35 to 100 passed, right? That's fine. But if I give the percentage, by mistakenly 120 percentage, see, saying that hello Nani, congratulations, right? You are passed. Saying that you are passed, even though using 120 percentage, which is invalid actually, but saying that congratulations, right? One more point here, the same person, right? By mistakenly giving the percentage minus 50, it says that you are failed. You are failed here. So in this case, in these both cases, right, both are invalid percentage, right? 120 is the invalid percentage, 50 also invalid percentage, minus 50. So to avoid these two cases, we need an extra conditions again. We need some extra conditions, but here only one condition only. One condition. If else means only one condition only. Only one condition. If you want to execute two or more conditions, if you want execute two or more conditions, then we go with which one? We go with third one, guys. What's third one? Elif statement. Okay, elif, guys, elif statement. So here, if means only one condition, that is true part only. One condition, true part. Yeah, or if else means one condition, true and false parts. One condition only, both true and false parts. And here, multiple conditions. Multiple conditions. Here, a condition in another condition. That's all. Okay, and use simple parts. Observe here. So here, just one condition, right? One condition with which one? With only true, right? True part, guys. True part. That's all. Only true part. Here also, which one? One condition, guys. One condition only with both which one? True and right, true and false parts. True and false parts. That's all. True and right, false parts. Okay. Fine. Now, what is elif here? Elif here. Here, multiple conditions, guys. Multiple. Okay. Multiple conditions. With both. With which one? With true and false parts. True and right. False parts, guys. That's all. And here, what is the next if? Right? If condition, or I can simply say condition in another condition. That's all. Another condition means if in another if. That's all. Say if or see if condition, another if condition. Okay, simple, guys. That's all. Simple words. Okay, what simple if here? Only one condition with all true part only. But if else means One condition only with both true and false parts. If you want two or more conditions, where do you go? Leaf, right? But as per this our requirement, which one? If I give more than 100, I want some message. If I give more less than 0, I want some message. Means we need extra conditions, right? There we go with which one? We go with the third one, guys. A leaf statement. A leaf statement. This we see later. First of all, we'll see one or two examples by using these two only. Later we go with a leaf. Then we go with next leaf. Okay, next leaf. Right. So for this one example, right? Yes, this one I'm going to comment now to take the another example. The example, yes. Sorry here. Nani, I'm giving the 50%, right? See, right, Nani guys here. So I'm giving the small n. There also small n coming. No, 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 not like that. I want capital N here. Whatever you're giving here, see, whatever you give, you can give here all small case, all lower case, upper case, or any different cases, right? Upper, lower. But what I want here, I want first what upper case, remaining all lower case, guys. Remaining all lower case, right? For example, let's see one more example here. I'm giving like a Python or with the two words, right? There's a possibility. 90% I'm giving. See, low, right? Python or N. But here what I want now, I want display capital P and the capital N. Capital P, capital N. So now all of observe, right? For this one we have a condition. For this one, we have a function. We have one function. What is function name? For this one we have a function. Guys. What is function name? What is the function name? What is the function name? Means first character of each word to get in the uppercase. I want get the first character of each word, guys. Each word, right? I'll convert here, guys. I'll convert here. Here, right? Here is there. Let's try. I can take here. If I can convert, guys, I can convert here. Which one? Name dot capitalizer. Let's take capitalize. Okay, capitalize. Capitalizer. Something is the spelling. Capitalizer. Into again take the right name function, guys. Okay, name variable. I'm giving the suppose right Python Narayana here. Percentage right 90 guys here. So link capitalize, I think. Yes. See, if I use capitalize, what happened? If I use capitalize, what happened here? So this is the one string, right? It's a one string. That string only first character only became uppercase, but the second word of first character still in the same lowercase only. So that's not capitalize. We should use one. We should use title function, guys. Title, okay? Title function. Title means it converts first character of all the words, guys. I'll take here Python. Suppose Django, right? Now, it's my name, for example, okay? Then I'm giving 50%. Yes, you can see. Hello, capital P Python, capital D Django, capital N Arena. Congratulations like this. That's all. So I used guys here. We used so for name, right? The name variable and the name are applied a title. I can assign to name, assign to name. Or simple way, in a simple way, just remove this all. Just directly apply here. Directly can apply here. Data. That's అంటే మనం applying without any before conversion, right? I'm applying directly while using only. Let us try now whether possible or not possible. Yes. Let's take simply. Let's take here. I'll take Python something. Suppose 90% is yes. That's right. Capital N, capital P. Capital N, capital P. Okay, right. So fine guys, right? This is the one example guys, one example to understand the this percentages, right? Sorry, understand the if and else conditions. If else, okay, if else conditions, guys. Let's see one more example. I'm going to comment this one by taking triple quotes, guys. I'm taking triple quotes, right? Fine. Now I want to ask you, give two numbers to find the highest number, guys, to find the maximum number. So take now two inputs, right? We take the two inputs. Input, enter, right? Enter first number. Take the evolve, right? Into suppose n1, okay? N1. Next, let's take here input, enter second number. Again evolve, then take it n2, that's all. N2, guys, enough. Now again I want to keep right if n1 greater than n2. So what's the meaning here? N1 greater than n2 means n1 is the bigger, right? Bigger value. If it is true, then I can display here. Okay. What's n1 now? I take n1. Okay. N1 is a bigger value, something. Bigger value. That's all, guys. Else means what's meaning n2, right? N2 only. Now I can take one more print here. Print to n2, right? N2 is bigger value, guys. That's all. Bigger value. That's all. Right, let us try now. Let us try here. I'm giving number 10. I'm giving 20. Yes. Yeah, 20 is bigger value, right? 20 is the bigger value. Look at the reverse case now. I'm giving a first number 20, second number suppose 5. Now also 20 is right a bigger value. 20 is a bigger case. Okay. So here I use normal rate variable comma, but here also we can use format function, guys. We can use format function placeholder space. Then you can take here dot format of n1, and here also you can take dot format of, right, format of n2, take the placeholder here. That's fine, guys. Very good. Right, now observe here. I'm giving the 5, I'm giving the 4. Yes, 5 is bigger than 4, right? So 5 is bigger than 4. So 5 is a bigger value than which one? 4. I'll take second value, which one? N2, second place holder, second, right? Here also bigger value. Then we'll take here N2 comma, right? N1. That's all, guys. Let us try now. Let us try here. I'm taking now 3. I'm taking now 7. Yes, 7 is bigger value than 3. That's all. But here also we need one more condition, guys. One more condition. Which condition? So observe now. I am giving here 10. And again 10 I am giving. I'm giving both 10 values, guys. I'm giving both 10. Here it says that 10 is bigger than 10. Is it right? Is there any sense here? Is there any meaning here? No meaning, guys, right? There is no meaning here. In this point of time, I want to display both are same values. That's all. Both are same values. User entered same values. That's what I want to display. For that, we need one more condition. If n1 w equal to n2, actually I have seen the which one operators, comparison operator. N1 w equal to n2, then both are same values. For that, we need one more condition. Means we need second condition. Already one first condition, right? One condition over. We want one more condition. Then we go with which one again? We go with elif statement. Which one? Elif, guys. Elif statement. That's all. Elif statement enough. To need, right, more than one condition. We go with which one? We go with the elif statement, guys. Okay, elif statement. Elif statement. Okay. Fine. So like this, right? We can take a number of examples. A number of examples here. Just these are the basic points. Again, these are the very basic examples. Right? Very basic examples here. Suppose if you have three numbers, then what do we do? If you have three numbers, if you have the four numbers, you have the five numbers, for the different process, guys. Okay, right. Same guys, we take a number of examples, right? Let's take one more example. Input, right? Input. Enter your age, right? Enter your age. Okay, just observe what I'm doing. Just observe now. You just observe, guys. You just observe what I'm doing here. You just observe what I'm doing. Okay, right. Yes, I can take into something that is okay. Age. Okay, age. Then if age, if right, if age greater than or equal to 18, right? 18. You can display like you are allowed, right? Allowed to cast your vote, right? Submit to cast, right? Your vote. Okay, your vote is all, guys. Else means which one here is less than 18, right? Then print, right? Print. You are not allowed. You are not allowed to cast, right? To cast your vote. Your vote. Okay, your vote. Right. Now I want to display here. I want to display observe one point here. What I'm trying here. You need to wait. You need to wait. Wait. Okay. Wait. Take here 18. 18 minus is right. 18 minus is years. Okay. Years, guys. To cast or what? Okay. To cast your vote. What does it mean? How it works? Observe here. I'm giving here, suppose 10 years only. Now, see what is happening. Observe guys here. Read it. What is happening? Read it here. You are not allowed to cast your vote. You need to wait 8 years, guys. 8 years to cast your vote. Why 8 years? Actually, age is 18 now, but your age is 10 years only. So, right, you get the vote at 18 years, right? But your age is 10 years only. So, means we have to wait for 8 years, right? 8 years. That's why I taken 18 minus age. 18 minus age, right? See, I can take here. No, I can take same like this here. That you got it. You are allowed. You are allowed. You are allowed. Sure now. Now take here age, right? Age minus 18, guys. Just observe now. You are allowed years, right? Years ago to cast, right? Your vote. What does it mean? Let us see. Let us see here. Right? I'm saying that my age suppose 30. Then you're saying that you're allowed 2 days ago only you are allowed, right? So your age 30. At what age you are allowed 18 only. 30 minus 8, how much here? 12 years, right? 12 years ago you are allowed to cast your vote. Right? Like this, guys, like this, okay? So fine. Right? So there are some examples right to use which one? If elif, guys, if elif, right? We see some more examples, guys, tomorrow. Right? So guys, tomorrow we'll have a class. We have a class, guys. Tomorrow we'll have a class, okay? At same time, guys, same link. Tomorrow class will be there at same time, same link, okay? So thank you so much, all of you guys. Tomorrow we meet, guys, at same time. Thank you all of you. Bye. So all of you are clear about these programs, right? All of clear about these things, right? These types of these programs, all of clear? Let me know. All of clear, right? Yeah, very good. Thanks, all of you. Bye.